Want to know how to sign in to Shortwave? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can just simply log in or sign in to Shortwave with just a few simple clicks. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, make sure you are under shortwave.com and you should be under this interface right here. In order to sign in, on the top right side, you should be saying sign in. You can just simply select that, or you can just simply select get started for free as well. So you can just simply select any one of these two and this should pop up right here. And now once you have this popping up here, you can just simply say continue with Google or continue with Outlook. You can just simply select any one of these two. So I'm just going to go for continue with Google. Now you can just simply choose your account that you want. Now once everything is done, you should automatically be signed into Shortwave without using any password. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.